Hey, Mom. What's going on? Yeah. Hello, darling. Oh, come here, honey. Come on. This Mama. Hey, girl. Hi, sweetie. Oh, God, I didn't mean to hit you. Come back here. Here. Oh, God. Good shooting. Hey. There's the buttons. No, it's over there, honey. Yeah, you gotta go right there. Hi, sweetheart. How are ya? Oh. Got it right on the head. Hey. Well, hopefully nobody will come out that door and scare you. Over here, sweetie. Over here. There you go, babe. Hi, Paris. B. Come back. Uh-huh. She's my little girl. Where you going, hon? Mama hears something. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. This is so funny. I came out with a hat on. They didn't know me. I shook my hair out. They came right over. That's how they recognize me. Hi, friend. There are a couple more. I can see them. Yep. One more. There's one more in front of you. Be careful out there. It's going to get cold tonight. Oh, you know what to do. Hi. Hello, B. Hi, Paris. Hi, Prince. Oh my God, he wagged his tail. I think I'm in love. Oh, they're so fickle. There it is. That's the last one. She found it. Bye, sweetie. You sure are pretty today. Look at your coat.